I'm gonna share with you guys my marinade secret that brings up very intense and delicious flavor to my meat. Let's extract the ginger juice. We never throw away the fresh and the delicious ginger, guys. Let's just use in the food, okay? Using the food. Okay, now let's wash the juicer, and we're gonna repeat the same process with the garlic. See, now we're gonna save all the minced garlic and we're gonna use in our food. So now when it's time to marinate, just put your favorite spice into it and then put the juice. Be careful because you don't want to put it too much because the flavor is very, very intense. Mix it up, put in the freezer for half an hour, and welcome to the goodness. And you're done. Enjoy.